Welcome to Data Engineering with Subhadip. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most common confusions in SQL, group by versus partition by. Let us clarify the differences and understand their unique use cases. First, let us talk about group by. Group by is used to aggregate rows that have the same values in specified columns into a summary row. It is always paired with aggregate functions like sum, count, avg, min, or max. The key takeaway here is that group by reduces the number of rows in your result set, as it consolidates multiple rows into a single summary row per group. For example, you would use it to find the total sales for each region. Now, let us move to partition by. Unlike group by, partition by does not collapse rows. Instead, it divides your result set into partitions, and calculations, typically using window functions, are performed within each partition. The critical difference is that partition by retains all original rows, adding contextual information like an average or rank to each row without reducing the dataset size. A common use case is calculating an average per region but for every order. To summarize the core differences, group by aggregates rows, reducing the row count, and is used for summary reports. Partition by divides data into partitions but keeps all original rows, adding contextual information. It is used with window functions for tasks like ranking or running totals, without collapsing the dataset. A prime example of where partition by truly shines is for ranking. Imagine you need to find the top 3 best-selling products within each product category. You cannot achieve this directly with group by because it would collapse your product details. With partition by and a ranking function like row number, you can assign a rank to each product within its category based on sales, and then easily filter for the top 3, all while keeping the original product information intact. This demonstrates partition by's power in analytical queries. Another fantastic application of partition by is for running totals. Imagine tracking the cumulative sales for each customer over time. With partition by, you can easily calculate a running sum of order amounts, where the sum resets for each new customer. The order by clause within the over function ensures the sum is calculated in chronological order, providing powerful insights into customer spending habits. So, when should you use which? If your goal is to collapse rows and obtain a single summary for each group, like total sales per region, then group by is your answer. However, if you need to perform calculations like ranks, running totals, or averages within groups, while keeping all individual rows in your result set, then partition by with window functions is the way to go. Thank you for watching this deep dive into group by and partition by. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of when and how to use these powerful SQL constructs. Mastering them is essential for any data engineer or analyst. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Data Engineering with Subhadip for more insights and tutorials.